got some stuff done to the truck, and I'm ready to show you what the afterwards looks like. So stay tuned. There she is, guys. Got the lift kit on there. I got all the suspension parts on there. Got the wheels and tires coming tomorrow, so I'm hoping to put them on there. I did get a 4.5-inch lift, but you can tell that it's been lifted because it's a little harder to get in the truck, and the truck is taller than I am now. I used to be taller than the truck. We'll go and look at all the suspension parts I put on. Got the new red calipers I put on there. I redid all the suspension. Got new braided steel brake hose lines. Got new upper control arm, new springs, new cam bolts, new outer tie rod, and a new lower control arm. Got that on both sides. Like I said, it was lifted about 4.5 inches. And I got the new bigger wheels and tires coming. They'll be here tomorrow. They're about 31s, I believe. So she's looking good. There's the rims I went with. They are 17x9 minus 13 offset rough country. They fit pretty good. I ended up getting the black lug nuts with them. There's no rubbing or anything on the back, so I think them are going to look good on there. There she is with the new rims and tires. They look pretty good. I did have to trim the plastic piece on the bumper on both sides there because it was rubbing, but I think it looks pretty good. And more of the rough country, I believe they're called S80 wheels, and the Kenda Calver RT tires, 285 70/17s. I like it. Looks pretty nice.